When I'm alone with a girl, I'm doing the baby voices, the whole thing, all that ridiculous stuff.
Are you?
Oh, yeah.
Ah!
It's horrible to admit, but it's true,
What's the most
rubbing
romantic?
noses and all that
Really?
stuff.
Is this a bad pickup line? Because I just used it on some girl, and she told me to get the from her right now. Freeze! I'm with the FBI. The female booty inspectors. Now turn around and let me see that ass.
Because you're pretty and you're smart and you're ignoring me, so you're obviously my type.
I'm sorry, what were you saying?
Perfect.
Main reason I don't like to go outside.
Uh-oh.
What?
People.
Oh no, people. I'm wearing a trench coat by the Googles. It's made out of something shiny that makes a lot of noise. That's a crazy sound. Listen to the sounds. The sounds around you. I'm just focusing on the sounds. Focus.
Hi, welcome to the eye doctor. How's your vision doing? You have 2 eyes, that's good. Do you wear glasses? Do you wear contacts? Do you have any dry eye, any trouble reading anything, any double vision? Okay, great. This side. This side.
Definitely ate Vegemite as a child. Everyone does. It would be super weird if you didn't, but it is an acquired taste. This is what it sounds like.